for all of you DIY guys out there, and especially the mechanics who are getting their hands dirty when they work with cars. You know how hard it is to take the dirt out of your hands. But while being online, I just discovered something that's hand soap gel called Gallant. It's very good. I used it, I tried it, and it's so good. It's quite cheap for the quality, and it feels like you have some soap in your hand and some sand as well at the same time, and while you're using it, you know, it will clean up everything, every dirt that you have, no matter what. If it's grease or oil or whatever, it will clean up your hands so perfect. So I have to ask you to try it. Well, to be honest, this sounds like they sponsored me, but I'm not getting sponsors with these few subscribers that I have. This is just something that I recommend because I tried it and it's pretty good. So maybe you should try it. I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description, and if you like, try it. If you don't, that's fine. Hello and welcome back to another video on my channel, Cars Enthusiast channel. Today I'm gonna say something about some people that were laughing at me about being lazy and not getting all the mess in my car getting fixed. But today I'm gonna prove to them that I'm not that lazy. It was just not the time for that at the moment. And I'm going to show you that I fixed that problem that bothered you, and I have to thank you as well for laughing at me and making me do this. If you go back on my channel and see the video that I did a while ago about the fail that I had with changing the old amplifier that I had, I did said at the beginning that you have to excuse the mess in the car, because I was planning to do that, but the thing was I didn't get there. I did what was important first, and then at some point I would have reached like now this point where I have to clean out my closet. Sorry, Eminem. But well, I did reach that point. Coffee break. So as you can see, and you've seen in other videos, I have quite of a mess here, so I'm about to clean it all up. We have the coffee mug over there, and let's get to it. First thing I decided to do is to fit this on the subwoofer box here. A couple of screws to look a bit nicer. So I'm gonna get to it. So I did that, you know, just to make sure it will be properly ventilated, and through these small holes here, so it won't get too hot, and to be working in a good condition. Like that, be stable. Nice. Next step is to dress up these wires all in one single color, matching the surrounding. Coffee break. Everything back together as it was. Now, let's see the result. Much better. Yep. This is how it looked before, and this is how it looks now. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for next video. Bye.